Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Brave app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Brave and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you will go to Play Store, you will search about the application of Brave, and then you can update your app if you find updating this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and